Today I am going to discuss the AC distributor with concentrated loads. Okay, yesterday also we discussed the DC distributor. Okay, with concentrated load. Concentrated. Today we will discuss AC distributor with concentrated load. Okay, AC distributor concentrated load के लोड में क्या होते हैं प्रॉब्लम और इसका प्रॉब्लम एक प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे जो सेमिस्टर का एग्जाम पे आते हैं। एक्चुअली डीसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का हम लोग प्रॉब्लम ही येस्टरडे सॉल्व किए थे। ओके, आज डीसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का थ्योरी देखेंगे पहले, उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हिच टाइप ऑफ लोड्स आर कॉल्ड concentrated loaded? Suppose this is the feeder line. Okay, this is the A and this is the B. Okay, this is the A. If supply is fed one point and the load is connected this type of, then it is called concentrated loads distributor. Okay, distributor with concentrated load. Okay, this is the feeding line or supply. Okay, suppose this is the VS, that's mean supply voltage. Okay, and here also one load and here also the one load. In case in DC we also see that here our resistance also we are present, and here also the resistance also we are present, and this wire also will should a resistance. Okay, so if we here putting the value of resistance, then which type of resistance are present here? Not only the resistance, also the inductive reactance also the present here. In case in AC, in case in DC only resistance is present, but here R plus XB present. So here R1 plus, this is the imaginary, so we put the value or we put the J. Okay, this is R1 plus J zone in this one. Suppose this one is C, this point is C, and here R2 plus Jx2. In case in DC only R are present. Okay, but in case in AC R plus this imaginary part also is present, and in case in DC no power factor are present, only I1 I2 current is presented here, but here also the in case in AC power factor also present, so here the current is I1 into cos phi 1. Okay, and here I2 into cos phi 2. This current is how much? This current is this current plus this current in this section. Okay, so suppose I1 plus this current, if I2, then this is the, so it is which current? This is the supply current. This current plus this current is the supply current, so you can write it IS, that means supply current. Supply current is nothing but I1 plus I2, and here the current is, how much? This is the I2. The value of this current is I2. Okay, next we calculate the load current. That's mean this one is the load, this one is going to load this point current. So if we first of all calculate this point, that's mean the C load current at C. Here the current is how much? Load current at point C. Suppose this is the I1. Okay, so what is the I1 value? That's mean I1 into cos phi 1 is power factor also with the included, and we also know that in case in AC on the sine factor also be the presented. That's mean J sine phi 1. Okay, minus J sine phi 1. This value is the original value of current in case in AC. If we draw a power factor triangle, then we can easily understand. Okay, so one extra video I also provided the power factor angle or power triangle. Okay, power triangle प्रोवाइड करेंगे और उस पर देखेंगे पावर कोसाइन एंगल साइन एंगल कैसे होता है, क्यों हम एक करंट निकलने के लिए उसका कॉस एंगल से साइन एंगल को सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। सो इफ़ वी कैलकुलेट द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ऑफ दिस I1, सो कॉस फाई 1 फैक्टर से साइन फाई फैक्टर को माइनस करना पड़ेगा। सो दिस इज द I1 वैल्यू, ओके। एट लोड करंट बी पॉइंट लोड करंट का वैल्यू क्या होगा, सपोज बी पॉइंट है करंट वैल्यू की I2, ओके। सो हाउ मच इज, इट विल बी द सेम विथ दिस वन cos phi 2 minus j sin phi 2, okay, j sin phi 2. So impedance of this section is how much? Impedance value who protect to flow the current or voltage, okay. In case in DC, what is the impedance from here to here? Only R, but in case in DC the impedance is R plus jx1, okay. So impedance of AC, impedance A and to C, okay, is how much? Suppose this is the Z1 R1 plus JX1, and impedance of CB, suppose Z2, this is how much? R2 plus JX2. This value of two impedance are present in the, so current in section CB is how much? In this section current is how much? Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we कैलकुलेट किए थे पॉइंट करंट को, लोड पॉइंट, दैट्स मीन दिस वन इज द लोड कनेक्टेड हियर एंड हियर. सो लोड पॉइंट करंट एंड this current is not, you can say this is the same, is not right for anywhere, but somewhere also the it is right, the load current and point current are same, section current और load current, okay. सपोज हम देखेंगे क्या यहाँ का लोड करंट क्या हुआ, सपोज I2 लोड पॉइंट करंट, ओके, दिस इज द पॉइंट करंट, लोड करंट एट पॉइंट C, ओके, पॉइंट C और पॉइंट B, ओके. So then we calculate the CB section current, okay, that means here to here current, here also the flow I2 is how much, this value I2 into cos phi 2 minus j sin phi 2, okay. अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो A to C section current, to see how much current are here, I1 plus I2, that's mean this is the IS, so I1 plus I2, that's mean I1 value is how much, I1 cos phi 1 sin phi 1 plus this value, okay, j sin phi 2, this value also the present, okay. So this is the approximate value of this section current, okay. If we calculate the voltage drop of section CB, voltage drop across CB, okay, here to here voltage drop कैलकुलेशन करें. सो कैसे इस voltage drop की कैलकुलेशन करेंगे हम, अगर यहाँ पे जितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है और रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ का जितना है, सो वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द वोल्टेज ड्रॉप. सो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप इज हाउ मच, also known V equal to IR. This resistance is how much here, and not only the resistance because it is the AC line, so impedance means R plus JX, okay. So here the current is I2, this one's current is I2 and Z2, okay, and Z2 value is how much, R plus JX2, okay, and I2 value is how much, I2 cos phi 2 j sin phi 2 into Z2 value is how much, R2 plus JX2. This value is the voltage drop of this section, okay. So voltage drop at AC, how much? voltage drop, अगर V ड्रॉप देखेंगे तो AC में क्या होगा, I1 प्लस I2 इंटू सॉरी हाँ, this video is too long. Next we also calculate the next video we also calculate the problem of this जो और थोड़ा बाकी है इसका. वोल्टेज ऑफ AC हो गया, उसके बाद सेंडिंग एंड करंट को निकाला जाएगा एंड सेंडिंग एंड वोल्टेज, देन दिस इज द टोटल कंप्लीट. ओके.